Welcome to Audiobook channel. Best Books Club. Presenting a detailed summary of the book Counting the Cost written by Jilll Duggar. Let's dive into this captivating story. Counting the Cost is a memoir that takes us on a journey through the life experiences of Jilll Duggar. In this book, Jilll shares her personal struggles, triumphs, and the lessons she has learned along the way. Chapter 1: The Early Years. Jilll starts by recounting her childhood in a large and devoutly religious family. She talks about growing up in a conservative household, the values instilled in her, and the challenges of being part of a famous reality TV show, 19 Kids and Counting. Jilll reflects on the impact this had on her childhood and how it shaped her beliefs and aspirations. Chapter 2: Discovering Love and Marriage. In this chapter, Jilll delves into her courtship and eventual marriage to Derek Dillard. She shares the excitement and challenges of navigating a courtship within the public eye. Jilll takes us on an emotional roller coaster as she shares the joys and heartaches of building a life together. Chapter 3: Parenthood and Personal Growth. Jilll opens up about the joys and trials of becoming a parent. She discusses the struggles of balancing motherhood, her personal ambitions, and the expectations placed upon her. Through her experiences, Jilll explores the concept of personal growth and finding her own identity amidst the pressures of fame and family. Chapter 4: Overcoming Adversity. In this chapter, Jilll courageously shares some of the most difficult moments in her life. She talks about the challenges she faced when her family faced public scrutiny and how she dealt with the aftermath. Jill's vulnerability shines through as she discusses her journey of healing and finding strength in the face of adversity. Chapter 5: Faith and Freedom. As Jill's story unfolds, she delves into her deep-rooted faith and the role it plays in her life. She explores the intersection between her religious beliefs and her personal growth, discussing how she has developed her own understanding of spirituality and the freedom that comes with it. Chapter 6: Lessons Learned. In this final chapter, Jilll reflects on the valuable lessons she has learned throughout her life. She shares insights gained from her experiences, offering wisdom and guidance to readers who may be grappling with similar challenges. Jill's candid and heartfelt words inspire readers to embrace their own journeys and count the cost of their choices. And that concludes a detailed summary of Jilll Duggar's memoir, Counting the Cost. Hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the book. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the full audiobook available at your favorite online retailers. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Best Books Club Audiobook channel for more exciting audiobook summaries. Until next time, happy reading!